Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you use Zeri to lower your car insurance rate. In order to use Zeri, a licensed insurance broker app, to lower your car insurance rate, you could follow these steps. First of all, you want to download and set up your profile. So download the Zeri app on your App Store or Google Play Store. You could also use the web browser as well. Then log in or sign up to your account. Once you're done with that, you want to provide your driver license, vehicle number, and your current insurance date. This takes about 6 minutes and use a soft credit bill that does not impact your credit scores. Then you could compare and customize your code. That means comparison. Now Zeri pulls real-time codes from over 50 insurance, and so you can compare them side by side as well. After which you could also adjust the coverage. You could also, or Zeri automatically find and stacks eligible discount for you. And you could also switch and save and ongoing and automatically reshopping. That means an autopilot as well. So this way you're supposed to use Zeri to lower your car insurance rate. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.